All right, gearheads, let's kick things off with AI diagnostics. Forget the days of waiting weeks for test results. AI is changing that game faster than you can say algorithm. We're talking AI-powered systems that can analyze medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, with mind-blowing accuracy. Imagine an AI that can spot a tiny tumor on a scan, something a human radiologist might miss, saving precious time and potentially lives. The numbers back this up. Studies are showing AI systems surpassing human radiologists in detecting cancers like breast cancer and lung cancer, often at earlier stages, which is huge for treatment outcomes. This isn't just about speed, guys. We're seeing a serious increase in accuracy. This is more than just a tool. AI is like having a superpowered assistant working alongside radiologists. And guess what? This isn't science fiction. These AI-powered diagnostic tools are already being integrated into hospital systems, making healthcare way more efficient and improving the chances of early diagnosis. Now, let's talk about the next big thing, genomics and personalized medicine. We all know our DNA is unique, and that's exactly where personalized medicine comes in. This means tailoring treatments based not just on symptoms, but on your own, very specific individual genetic makeup. AI is the key that unlocks the treasure trove of information held in our genomes. Think about it. AI systems able to rapidly analyze a person's DNA, identify genetic variations linked to diseases, and suggest treatment plans tailored to minimize side effects and maximize the chance of success. And the awesome part? This isn't just a dream. It's happening now. We're seeing AI-driven approaches being implemented in oncology, particularly for treating cancer, where understanding a tumor's unique genetic profile allows for highly targeted treatments. This approach increases the efficacy of interventions while reducing the risks of adverse side effects. It's a win-win for patients, healthcare providers, and the industry as a whole. The potential for personalized medicine stretches beyond oncology and treatments tailored to individual needs and could revolutionize nearly every area of healthcare with treatments customized to a patient's metabolism or to other unique traits. But here's the elephant in the room, data privacy. When we're talking about very personal information, such as an individual's genomic code, we need to be certain that's properly managed. We'll dive deeper into the ethical challenges a little later in the video. Let's shift gears and talk about drug discovery. The traditional drug discovery process is a marathon, not a sprint, often taking 10 to 15 years and costing billions. AI is turning that whole model on its head. AI algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data, from molecular structures to clinical trial results, identifying potential drug candidates far faster than human researchers alone can do. We're talking about AI platforms able to predict a molecule's efficacy and side effects, meaning that researchers can focus time and resources on the most promising candidates, cutting development times and costs significantly. This revolution isn't theoretical. Companies like Atomwise, In Silico Medicine, and others have already used AI effectively to identify and develop new drug candidates and have even had their AI-designed molecules tested in human trials. These AI companies are proving beyond a doubt that AI isn't just speeding up the process. AI is fundamentally changing how drugs are discovered. It's streamlining drug development by identifying potential new drugs far more quickly and effectively, reducing the time required from discovery to clinical trials. It will reduce the costs associated with bringing new treatments to market, thereby making medicines more affordable and accessible. Think of the possibilities, guys. This isn't limited to just cancer or other acute diseases. These techniques can be used effectively to design new drugs aimed at chronic diseases. We also must talk about the potential of AI to find better and new uses for existing drugs. With the help of AI, it will be easier to identify drugs already approved for one use, perhaps for other diseases, opening opportunities to repurpose existing drugs and discover new treatments far faster than with traditional methods. Now, let's dive into the ethical considerations. AI in healthcare offers incredible potential, but we can't just blindly forge ahead, can we? Data privacy is critical. We're talking about sensitive patient information. Robust security measures and systems must be in place to prevent unauthorized access. And algorithmic bias, a serious issue where AI systems can perpetuate existing societal biases, must be aggressively dealt with. It's especially harmful when dealing with human health and wellness. We need to make absolutely certain that the tools we develop and deploy aren't biased towards certain groups. We need AI systems that aren't just accurate, but also fair and equitable. This requires that those developing AI tools understand and incorporate a variety of viewpoints. And, to further drive home the needs for ethical considerations in the application of AI, we must also discuss accountability. Who takes responsibility when an AI system makes a mistake? The developers, the healthcare institution, both, or neither? These aren't just abstract questions either. They have substantial implications for the future and practice of medicine and the deployment and ethical use of AI. A great deal of work in both the public and private arenas remains to be completed before we can be entirely comfortable with the use of AI. But the potential payoffs, from saving lives to improving the quality of care across populations, far outweigh the risks. The role of AI in medicine is only growing, and I, for one, am immensely excited. What about you? What are some of your thoughts on the ethics and future direction of AI in this sector? Let's chat in the comments. And thanks for joining me tonight for another exciting exploration of AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI and tech, and I'll catch you next time. Let's shine a spotlight on a true titan in the healthcare world, Mayo Clinic. Their commitment to integrating AI into their practice is truly inspiring, and they're pioneering incredible advancements in precision medicine and AI. Mayo Clinic is not only leveraging AI-powered tools to enhance diagnostics and personalize treatments, but also spearheading new research initiatives that promise to redefine healthcare as we know it. They're focusing heavily on building the robust data infrastructure needed to power AI-driven care. Remember, AI thrives on the quality and quantity of data, and Mayo Clinic is building a powerhouse data infrastructure to support its AI initiatives. This comprehensive approach involves integrating various types of patient data, from genomics and medical records to clinical images and other biomarkers. They've even launched initiatives, such as Tapestry, to collect and analyze comprehensive health data from massive populations, gathering insights that help clinicians and researchers understand disease and improve treatments. This illustrates a significant investment in building the foundations of a data-driven healthcare system. This ambitious data-gathering approach promises to generate a sea of insights, improving diagnostics, personalizing treatments, and helping researchers find new biological mechanisms that lead to the development of innovative treatments. I want to stress, however, that their data gathering is being conducted ethically and responsibly, and their data privacy measures are considered cutting-edge. They're not just focusing on the technology. Mayo Clinic emphasizes the importance of ethical and responsible AI use. They are working to establish clear guidelines for the use of AI, particularly around patient privacy, data security, and managing algorithmic bias. Their focus on integrating patient-specific genetic and omics data into their electronic health records is a particularly insightful example of how AI will be used in practice. The resulting improvements in care are likely to be significant. We'll highlight some additional examples during the video. Now, let's explore a company that's making major waves in the AI-driven healthcare sector, Tempus. Leveraging the power of AI and machine learning, Tempus is driving the shift to personalized medicine, revolutionizing the way that physicians approach and deliver cancer diagnostics and treatment, resulting in more effective, precise, and personalized treatments for patients. Tempus is particularly unique and impressive because it's not just focused on technology. They're also building a vast and comprehensive healthcare data infrastructure to support their AI initiatives. This data-driven approach provides a holistic understanding of diseases, enhancing decision-making, and leading to breakthroughs in medical understanding and care implementation. In addition, they clearly understand that access to technology, especially for those facing cancers, must be available to all, irrespective of where they are located. Their commitment to equitable access to healthcare is remarkable and a key component guiding their technology development. The sheer scale of Tempus is noteworthy, with operations spanning many countries throughout the globe and employing some 3,000 people as of early 2024. Their efforts to integrate AI into cancer treatment have gained considerable traction with significant and continuous investment, and they are pushing AI to go beyond simple diagnostics to enhance therapeutic decision-making, manage clinical trials, and monitor patient outcomes, all with a deep focus on patient-centric care. Their investment in AI is substantial, even in AI-related research and applications for areas where there is potentially minimal return on the investments. They're not just building AI systems. They're developing robust frameworks and deploying those widely to drive data integration and optimize clinical workflows, both invaluable assets to effectively enhance the power of precision and personalized medicine approaches. We'll be exploring some of Tempus's clinical applications later. Another industry leader making significant strides in the field is Google Health. Google's deep investment in AI-driven health solutions is reshaping the way that we think about diagnostics and personalizing treatment, and Google's recent acquisition of DeepMind, a noteworthy AI and technology leader, underscores Google's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this sector and delivering it to all. Google's work is not limited to research initiatives. They're actively integrating AI into existing healthcare systems. These technologies are aimed at improving diagnoses and developing more effective treatments for a wide range of diseases. They are also focusing on creating personalized treatment plans, thereby enhancing effectiveness and efficiency of care. They are also striving to democratize access to these benefits by making their products widely available, potentially bridging critical gaps in healthcare accessibility, particularly in underserved or remote communities. Google's commitment to fostering innovation in the healthcare field is commendable, and the work they're spearheading in the field of diagnostics and the application of AI is setting a new standard for other major healthcare technology companies. Furthermore, Google is also applying its expertise in AI to improve drug discovery and develop new drug candidates. By leveraging AI and big data analytics, Google is helping pharmaceutical companies streamline the drug development process and address some of the most daunting problems faced by those leading trials currently. And finally, let's look at one more game-changing AI player in the medical world, IBM Watson Oncology. This AI system uses natural language processing and machine learning to analyze medical data and provide personalized treatment recommendations, and has made a palpable impact in oncology, significantly improving cancer diagnosis and helping doctors make informed decisions. IBM Watson Oncology is impressive because it doesn't simply offer suggestions. It provides comprehensive reports and supports oncologists in developing more precise treatment plans by providing access to a truly vast repository of high-quality medical literature, genomic data, and medical records. These capabilities have enhanced therapeutic precision, which has the capability of increasing efficacy while reducing side effects and enhancing patient outcomes. Moreover, this system works alongside oncologists rather than replacing them, effectively acting to augment healthcare decision-making. But the story goes beyond technology. IBM Watson has focused its efforts on democratizing access. This important aspect is often overlooked but illustrates very well how such AI tools must consider that the insights that can be gleaned must also be available to everyone. And that is important for all areas of care delivery and not limited to oncology. Further, their investment in creating additional AI tools is also noteworthy. In addition to focusing on cancer care, they've expanded into various aspects of healthcare, including personalized medicine and workflow optimization systems. We will take a look at some of their use cases later in this video.